This is a load of crack willow here, these tall ones. I coppice them every year, I've used them for various things, so it's time to do that. I'm going to chop them all down. Yeah, that's 1 year's regrowth on them. They're about 10 foot tall, some of them. I've sorted it into sizes, so this stuff on the right is quite thick and chunky. I might use that. I've got a willow dome that needs repairing, so patching up, so I might use that for that. This middle stuff, I'm not quite sure. I might try making like a little willow hurdle, and then this smaller stuff I could, I don't know, make a basket or something out of it. So until I decide, I'll put it in a bucket of water, it'll keep fine in there. I'm going to have a go at making a willow hurdle. I've got all these bits of willow I cut out of a hedge, needed trimming. And then these are those little bits out of the nursery. Yeah, so we'll give it a go, see what happens. So I enjoyed doing that. That's 40 minutes work, so it's a lot quicker than the hazel, easier. It's probably not as strong, and because I was using crack willow I couldn't tie knots around the outside, but I think if I'd been using ossia or something I could have. So I don't really know what to do now. I've run out of willow. I might finish it off in hazel. I've got a bit of hazel lying around. Or I might wait. I'll probably find some more willow while I'm doing something else. Not the tidiest job in the world, but it was quite fun. I decided to finish it off out of hazel because I had hazel here. So it looks kind of nice.